Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an AmuTorch AM33. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. Let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Now right offhand, this is a new upgraded version. Their previous AM30 was the model number. Now this is the AM33, so it's a little bit different design, as well as now has the colored bezel area here and also on the tail. But it still has the magnetic charging cable, which is nice. One extra O-ring. Very nice large sized lanyard that is. And we have a user manual. This is all in Chinese, so it's unfortunate. But my understanding, according to the Banggood's website, this puts out 4,000 lumens on turbo. So let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Now this is a little bit bigger light than normal. Not too big though. Show you the tail end here. They're kind of a bluish greenish color here. Same goes for the bezel. There's the charging port. It will always find its way to properly charge, so if you have the cord and you have it on a table, you're going to put the cord up there, it's automatically going to find and properly connect and start to charge. This is always really nice because you don't have to worry about water possibly getting past a rubber grommet or losing the grommet and then it's exposed to water accidentally or dust. Now the style and design is very nice. I'm really liking it. Now the finish here is more of a kind of a flat black. And it's kind of a rough texture. Not too bad though. This here on the body is not really rough, so it's not going to help you grip onto it any better if you're wearing gloves. There's the lanyard hold there. Button is here on the side. Now this is completely flush with the body, so you might have a problem finding it in the dark. All you know is you push on that, it's not going to turn on. You know the next one is going to be your button. A lot of heat sinking here. Now the machining and finish is very nice. Not seeing any issues here at all. No sharp edges. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the deep smooth reflector. This is running the Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Try to get past the glare of the light. See that LED down in there? Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up. I'll show you the batteries here. They were sponsored to me by EFAN or EIZFAN, and I want to thank them for providing me the cells for this flashlight. And here's the contact plate on the head. Nice, well greased on the threads. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and take one of the batteries out. And maybe we better take them all out here so you guys can see the springs. Pretty heavy duty on those springs. And let me show you the batteries here. This is from EIZFAN or EFAN, they're also called. Now these are the 3500 milliamp. These are 10 amp cells. Now it's really nice because these are slightly raised cells on the head. Now you can run them in multi-cell flashlights. These are an unprotected cell, and I'll leave a link down in the description area where you can get these as well. Highly recommend these. I've done all the tests on my Facebook group and they're also posted there. Really close on the numbers of the 3500 milliamp. They were coming in right just below that at about 3450, 3425. So very nice on the performance on these. Was able to pull a 10 amp load on them and with no issues at all. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put this back together and let's go over the UI. Now the UI is really simple on this. All you have to do is click on the button and you just go ahead and click on the side switch continuously to go through those light outputs. Now this also does have a battery level indicator. Green means you've got 100% of your battery power. Now this will turn red when you have about 50%, and it will start to blink when you have less than 25, and it recommends you to charge those batteries at the time. And we're just going to keep on clicking through those light outputs. Now once you get on high, you can simply at any time actually on the UI or the levels, you can double click to get turbo. Extreme amount of light output on that. Now this has a large hot spot here. See a little bit of bleeding off to the sides and then straight to the spill. And this is going to have a large spill area, I can already tell. Man, that's incredible light output. Okay, now from turbo, you can go ahead and triple click to get strobe. And one click will bring you back down to high, which was what I had it on before I went to turbo. So you do have memory mode on this light. You can press and hold to turn it off. You can turn it back on. It returns right back to the same level that you had it on. So we'll put it on high, turn it off, turn it back on. You got that memory mode, which is really nice. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the night shots on this. I can't wait to take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in this dark, cold morning with the AmuTorch, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on and get started. It's the lowest level, usually making 35 feet there from where I'm standing, 65 feet to that tree there. Show you the range of it already just on low. And we'll see at this output if it'll make the famous tree of life. And it is. See the beam there on it. I'm moving it around. Alright. That's what the button looks lit up. Not real bright. Kind of a glow, so that's nice. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. A little bit of a jump there. Nice even spread on the UI outputs on this as well. Tree line, fence line, tree line, fence line. Faintly making it across the park. you can see. There's the Tree of Life, looks really good. Spill area is usable. Alright, we're going to go up to the next level. Nice even jump there. Making it across the park there with these. Tree line, fence line, doing really good. Doing really good. I've tested and reviewed a few AmuTorches. Very nice, prizing performance and build quality. Some ice out here on the ground. Alright. We're going to go to the next level. Nice even jump. Spill area is really coming alive. Easily making it across the park, as you can see. And we'll do another beam assessment here, and turbo is next. Tree of Life, spill area. Nice concentration there. On the larger side for a hot spot. Very nice. Alright, so now we're going to go to turbo. Let's get started. Here we go. And there it is. Look at that. Very nice performance. Making that tree over there, you can see. Quite a ways away. Look at the park. Look at the spill on that. Very nice. Kind of on the tight side, actually. Tree line. Look at that fence line all the way the whole length. We'll do a beam profile here. Hot spot right in the middle. We'll do one more pan here. Excellent performance again from AmuTorch. See the trees light up. Great, there's the bleachers there. The famous Tree of Life. And lighting up the palm trees. And that's good. Excellent performance, especially for the price point. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Another amazing performance from AmuTorch. Really impressed again with the Build quality is very nice. This thing really throws quite a bit. Now this is a very nice budget combination thrower, but it's a little bit more on the thrower side. So you're going to have a little bit of best of both worlds. The UI is super easy to use on this. You can pretty much use any type of slightly raised or button top cells in this flashlight without any issues. You're not going to be able to run the flat top cells. I've been impressed with their previous models that I've also done reviews on, so I was kind of expecting a pretty good performance, but this one here is outstanding. So I want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Hats off to AmuTorch. If this is something you are interested in getting, also with that magnetic charging, that's really a big plus. If you are interested in getting this, all you have to do is look up right up on that screen, right about there. Banggood has provided me a good discount for this, and that'll help you save some money, should you be interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.